Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common but often misunderstood check engine code, P0129, also known as Barometric Pressure Too Low. What does it mean? What causes it? And how can you fix it? Let's break it down. When your car's computer throws a P0129 code, it means it's detected a barometric pressure reading that's too low for your current environment. The Engine Control Module, or ECM, compares barometric pressure with the manifold absolute pressure, or MAP sensor data. If that reading is way off, it thinks something's wrong. Now some causes and fix. 1. Faulty MAP sensor. The MAP sensor may provide incorrect pressure readings. Inspect and replace the MAP sensor. Check the sensor for dirt or damage. Replace if out of spec. Bad barometric pressure sensor. Some vehicles use a separate baro sensor. If it fails, it can send false data to the ECM. Test or replace the baro sensor. Use a scan tool to monitor sensor data. Replace if readings are off compared to local pressure. 3. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the intake manifold. Vacuum lines or throttle body can skew pressure readings. Check for vacuum leaks, perform a smoke test, or inspect all hoses and the intake system for leaks. 4. Wiring issues or poor electrical connections. Damaged, corroded, or loose wires connectors between the MAP to baro sensor and the ECM. Inspect wiring and electrical connections. Look for broken, frayed, or corroded wires. Repair or replace as needed. 5. Malfunctioning ECM. If all else checks out, a faulty ECM could be misinterpreting correct data or failing to process it. Test the ECM as a last resort. If all components are functional and the issue persists, consult a technician to test or replace the ECM. A P0129 code usually points to a problem with how your vehicle is measuring air pressure, often due to a faulty sensor or a vacuum leak. While it's not typically an urgent issue, ignoring it can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, or further sensor-related codes down the line. Start with the simple fixes, like checking for vacuum leaks or cleaning the MAP sensor, before moving on to more complex diagnostics like wiring or ECM issues. If you're unsure, using a scan tool or seeking help from a qualified technician can save time and prevent misdiagnosis. Address it early to keep your engine running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe with the bell icon.